It's gym time now, and we're training legs today. A lot of rehab work, to be honest with y'all. We need to gradually build some strength in my knees. Hopefully, the pain doesn't flare up too much. So, we're gonna start with some isometric holds, maybe some wall sits, and then we'll move on to isometric leg extension holds. So, I'm just gonna hold it at this spot isometrically 30-40 seconds. Now, we move on to some isometric leg extension holds, about 15-20 kgs, and we hold each leg for about 30 to 45 seconds. So we do this until it starts shaking involuntarily, and now we switch sides. Now let's start the workout. We're gonna do adductors first. Okay, we now move on to some single leg pressing. Only 15 kgs each side because I'm not confident with the load just yet. Yep. The first set went well, so I have increased the load by 10 kgs. We now have 25 each side. I think, bro, I should remove these shoes, bro. I'm not very confident with these shoes. Ooh, feet are sweaty, bro. Increasing the leg press load from 15 kgs to 25 kgs was probably not the smartest idea. It was quite a big jump and my knee pain started to kick in. And to make things worse, when I removed my shoes, I realized that my feet were sweaty. They started to slip on the platform, so I had to put my shoes back on. Yeah, the second set was disastrous. So for the third set, I had my shoes on. I did the same weight, 25 kgs, but I cut my range of motion. I cut out the part in which my knee pain started to kick in, and then I did some 45-degree hyper extensions. I did 2 sets of that. The weight moved well. I'm happy with that, and I ended my workout with some unilateral leg extensions. Now let's go home and grab lunch. For lunch today, not only do we have chicken, rice, veggies and dal, but also the iconic beetroot raita. I consume this every summer. Bro, this thing tastes heavenly. Garmi shuru, meaning beetroot raita season shuru. I'm gonna consume this every single day with either lunch or dinner. Now let's see how it tastes. Oh god. Oh bro. Why does this taste so good, bro? Honestly, the best way of consuming curd is in the form of beetroot raita. And just look at that color, bro. Vibrant. अब भाई काम करते करते थोड़ा फ्रूट्स खाएंगे. We have guava and strawberry. काम क्या कर रहा हूँ? Well, I'm working on a script. You guys know that. I'm making a comeback on my main channel after 100 days. Guys, this script is insane. The amount of science, the amount of research, the examples, everything is top tier. I'm trying to compress it all down to 10-12 minutes. So trying to compress it, trying to get a good intro, trying to explain complex topics in simple fashion so that you guys enjoy it. Guys, मैंने कैमरा पॉइंट किया मम्मी पे, तो मम्मी ने खाना हटा दिया, बोला इतना सारा खाना थोड़ी ना दिखाएंगे.
मेरे को नजर लग जाएगी मुझे कि
ठीक
मम्मी
है.
इतना सारा खाना खाती है.
ठीक है ठीक है. तो मैं कैमरा इसलिए खोला कि मैं बताना चाहता था कि मैं 3 महीने बाद YouTube पे कमबैक कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ हाँ
पता है ना, 3 महीने से मैंने वीडियो नहीं डाला.
हाँ पता है.
बट 3 मंथ्स बाद कमबैक कर रहा हूँ. मम्मी बोलो सब लोगों को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए.
मेरे बच्चे को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स दीजिए.
ओके गाइज, लेट्स डू डिनर. वी हैव द सेम थिंग. बाय द वे, आज बीटरूट रायता किलर था.
अच्छा लगा.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. फाइनली आफ्टर कितना 8-10 महीने के बाद बनाया हम लोगों ने.
इसमें ये सब्जी भी है. लो ये है ऐश गार्ड की सब्जी.
ऐश गार्ड क्या होता है?
सफेद पेठा.
सफेद पेठा.
हाँ, सफेद पेठे की सब्जी. ये भी खा के देखो.
देखो गाइस, हमारे घर में सब्जियां कभी भी रहती है, बस प्रोटीन नहीं रहता. देख लो मम्मी का प्लेट भी देख लो, प्रोटीन नहीं है. मम्मी वेजिटेरियन है, लेकिन मम्मी लो फैट पनीर नहीं खाती. कुछ भी करो नहीं खाती. एनीवेज, मेरा प्रोटीन तो चिकन ये रहा. एंड यू गाइस मस्ट बी वंडरिंग ना कि मैं मम्मी को क्यों नहीं खिलाता. इट इज बिकॉज you cannot help a person who doesn't want to help themselves. है ना? She doesn't want to eat. What do I do? Now, from ये क्या? सिर्फ इतना ही बचा है.
तो पता था ना तुमको दोपहर में.
इतने में मेरा क्या होगा?
अभी तो प्रोटीन कर रहे थे, इतना सा दिखा लो.
Guys, लगता है या तो कोई चिकन टिक्का ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा इसके साथ, या फिर जाके खाना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट इनफ फॉर मी.
मंगा लो.
मंगा लूं क्या?
मंगा लो.
You know I don't like to order. I like to go out and eat. एक काम करते हैं, मैं डिनर कर लेता हूँ और बाकी मैं बाहर जाके खा के आ जाता हूँ.
ये तो खा लो बेटा.
Okay, we'll go to Aladdin. Okay, bruv, off we go to Indranagar. I have my dinner with me. We just need to sort. Alishan tikka for the protein, bruv. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm driving to Indranagar just to get a chicken tikka. मेरे घर के पास हैं बहुत सारे options, but it's been a while since I ate Alishan, bro. Come on. I've ordered for my Alishan tikka and now we wait. It's gonna take 20 minutes, so we wait. In the meantime, I could either do some steps or just eat my dabba. I think I'll just eat. I'll eat, and by the time the Alishan should be ready, then we'll finish the Alishan and then do some steps. Not bad, bro. If you can find an isolated parking spot, it's pretty fun eating in your car. I mean, my car is small, but if my car was bigger, I think it would be a lot more comfortable. Look at that, bro. Almost done. 5 more minutes and we should have our Alishan tikka ready. 2 plates Alishan tikka for big man. Green chutney because low calorie. Opting out of mayo today. No rumali roti either. Okay, bruv, here it is. 2 plates Alishan tikka. I didn't have to get 2 plates. Honestly, one would do the job. But since I drove all the way here, I thought why not get 2 plates? Can't say no to extra protein. Let's taste it. Oh, this is by the way the first time I'm trying Aladdin ka green chutney. Oh my god, that's too fucking spicy. Oh fuck. Oh god, okay, that's spicy as fuck. Let's see how it tastes with the chicken. Oh my god. Too good. This green chutney, spicy, but goes so well with Alishan tikka. Oh god. Straight to heaven, bobbies. Straight to heaven. This is hectic good, bro. Yeah, the second plate is a bit much. I think एक plate काफी होता. If you're ever coming to Aladdin and getting an Alishan tikka, don't forget to ask him to make this fresh. उसके पास ready-made भी रहता है, but ask him to make it on the spot because the taste is not even comparable, bro. जो ready-made रखा है, that's like a 5 on 10. And this, bro, this is heaven on 10. Wow. So good. You know, I didn't have to come to Indranagar, right? I could have just ordered something home or I could have just taken a scoop of protein powder with water. But I was craving Alishan tikka and that is why I came all the way here. Bro, delivery mein wo maza nahi hai. It's best to just come and have it. I believe I crossed my calories by about 350-400 today. I mean, I ate 350 calories more than I was supposed to because the second plate of Alishan tikka was unnecessary. So thoda zyada ho gaya. But it's fine, bro. It was tasty. And I'm still under 3000 calories per day, so it's fine. Now, instead of going home, I'm actually going to my uncle's place. I need to pick something up from his house. So I thought instead of doing it tomorrow, let's just do it right now. So this is what I came here for. वो white board है और ये इस board का stand है. I needed these because the video that I'm working on, I'm going to be using a whiteboard to explain some concepts. So I had bought this earlier. I used to use this for my videos when I had started on in 2022, but I didn't have space back then, so I kept it at my uncle's house. Now we are reviving the whiteboard. Now where is my uncle, you might ask? Well, he is not at home. He's going to be coming anytime now, and we're thinking we'll go for a walk. Pandit Chacha is back on the vlog, guys. Hello. He was out for a drive. He's back now, and we're doing some steps.
Yeah, I know. Journey towards getting to fitter. I'm fit already.
Same mindset, guys. Same mindset.
Mindset तो हम fit है. बचपन से fit है हम.
बचपन से fit है, guys. मैं भी fit था, बस थोड़ा healthy fit था मैं. So we're completing our steps, guys. I'm currently at 16,000. Banti Chacha is at?
I am at 32k.
32k. Twice of mine, obviously, right?
Fitness extra है ना मेरी.
Oh, fitness extra है, guys. Time to leave, guys. हम लोगों ने अपना stand ले लिया है और white board भी ले लिया है. So I've told Banti Chacha that I'm working on a crazy video with these materials. You guys just stay tuned. By the start of next week, it should be out. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
See you.